Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to do an edit in the style of Allison Diaz. So you need your photograph open, and then you're going to go down the left hand side to this rectangle tool. It's underneath a pointer here, and if you right click on that tool you can see all these different shapes, okay? And you're going to go to custom shape tool, which is at the bottom. So it's right click on the custom shape tool and you get some options along the top. Now the shape that my computer has used already is this sort of explosion effect. Under here are all the different shapes you can use. Now if it doesn't show many, click on this little arrow and you're going to go and click all. Okay, so that will show all of the shapes that are available, and then press OK. And then you need to scroll through, and because Allison Diaz uses diamonds for this first edit in her style, I'm going to go all the way down until we can find a basic diamond shape, and there's one there. Okay, so we'll click OK for that. And then just somewhere on here, I'm going to draw a diamond shape. Now, if I use that same tool, I can't move the shape, so I need to use this move tool to move my diamond shape. Okay. Next to your layers here, you need to click on Paths, and that will have Shape 1. It's called Shape 1 Vector Mask. It's a bit complicated, but you don't need to worry about that. All you need to do is right click on that and click Make Selection. Okay. Okay. So that's your selection. And then what we need to do is go to Select at the top and save that selection, because it's a diamond shape that will disappear and we need to use the same one every time. So it's Save Selection. I'm going to call it Diamond. Just press OK. Now with any selection, you can move it by using the second tool on the left. I don't want that black bit on my sheet, so I'm going to go back to my layers, and it's added this diamond layer at the top, which I don't want in black, so I'm going to drag that to the bin. Okay, and I've still got my selection here. So next thing to do, really simple, make sure you're on layer 1, Control Copy, Control V to paste. So it's added a new layer. If I want to move that, I can just drag it there like that. Okay, I'm actually going to put it onto that side. Now I need that diamond back, it's disappeared. So you go up to Select, this is all to do with your selections, Load Selection. And you need to drop this down to find the one that you've saved called Diamond. So press OK, and there it is again. Now you just need to make sure you're on layer 1 every time you copy and paste. So if I want to move that, I need to use this tool on the left hand side, second from the top. I'm going to move it to see, this bit's quite interesting. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and it's added it as a new layer, layer 2. So I use my move tool and I'll move that. Okay, I'm going to put that there. Next up, select, load selection. I need to find the diamond, there we go. Press OK. And then the move tool, and I'm going to go for a little bit, that's a bit more simple, so I'm going to go for that bit. Make sure I'm on layer 1, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Use my move tool, and then you can start rearranging your picture, okay, with this diamond shape. Now if you want to move one of these layers, all you need to do is right click, and that will show me layer 2. I can move that one. If I want to move that one, I'll right click it, and that's layer 3, so I can move that. If you move it and it doesn't quite line up as you'd want to, you can always nudge it with the keys on your keyboard. So I'm pressing the keys on my keyboard here, the arrow keys, to nudge the selection, the layer. Okay.